Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn about comparing and ordering numbers, and that we will do by using a number line and by comparing tens and ones. Let's read the numbers on this number line together. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now look at this sign and think of this symbol as a hungry crocodile, a very hungry crocodile who likes to eat only the greater numbers, the big numbers. It does not like to eat small numbers. It only likes to eat great numbers. Let's solve this example first. We have the numbers 10 and 14. Let's mark these numbers on our number line. Now we can see that 10 comes first and 14 comes after. So the number which comes first is smaller and the number which comes after is greater. The number on the right side is always bigger and the number to the left is always smaller. We start from smaller numbers when we are counting. So the crocodile will eat the number 14. Its mouth will be open towards the number 14, which means that 10 is less than 14. Now let's look at the second example and mark these numbers on our number line. The numbers 15 and the number 20. So 15 comes first and 20 comes after, which means that 20 is bigger and 15 is smaller. So the crocodile will eat which of these two numbers, 20 or 15? It only eats the greater numbers, which means that 20 is greater and the mouth will be open towards 20. Now this means we will read this as 20 is greater than 15, and this will be read as 10 is smaller than 14. Now we are going to compare the numbers using tens and ones. Now we have two numbers here, 11 and 18, and we are going to compare and find out which number is bigger and which number is smaller. So when we want to find that out, we look at the tens first. Which number is in tens place? We have 1 here in tens place and we have 1 here. So the tens are the same, which means they are equal. No number is bigger and none is smaller. So then what we will do, that we will move on to ones place and see which number do we have at ones place. Here we have 1 and here we have 8. 1 is greater or 8 is greater? 8 is greater than 1. 1 is smaller than 8, which means that 11 is smaller than 18. Now let's compare these two numbers and find out which number is greater and which number is smaller. What are we going to do first? We will look at the tens place first. So in tens place first, we have 2 here and here we have 4. So 2 is greater or 4 is greater? 4, which means that 2 is less than 4, and 23 is less than 43, or we can write it this way: 43 is greater than 23. Always remember that this mouth will be open towards the greater number.